All you need to do is find a solar light with a good surface to draw on. I keep a little book with funny faces that I've found ideas for over the years, and I use those to guide me while I'm drawing faces on them. You don't have to use ones that are a ball shape, you could use a cylindrical one. So after you've drawn the pictures on, you get the garden stake that comes with the lights, you pop it in and you put them in the lawn, and there you go, they've added to your display. Here they are, helping to decorate my pet cemetery. Happy Halloween, everybody!